A family of 2 adults and 3 children is on holiday and hires mountain bikes from a hotel. So the costs in euro to hire the mountain bike are shown in the table. So what we need to do is find out the cost in pounds of hiring 2 large and 3 small mountain bikes for 5 hours. So let us do that. So the cost of a large mountain bike. So one bike for the first hour is for the large ones is £6, and there are 2 adults, so they would have 2 large mountain bikes. So you would have to do 2 multiplied by 1 times 6, and then plus £2 extra hours. So there are another 4 hours. So 4 times 2. So that would be the cost of for 5 hours for the adults. And for the children, 3 children multiplied by 1 times 3.6, and then plus you'd have 1.2, so that is 4 times 1.2, and this is all in euro. So we can say that this is part 1. So cost equals, so this is all in euro. Okay, so we will change into pounds later. So what then is the cost would be in euros. It is 2 times of 6 plus 8, then plus 3 times. You'd have 3.60 plus 4.12, that's 4.8. So then I get 14 times 2 is 28 plus and 3.6 plus 4.8, 8.4 times 3, so that is 25.2. So that's all in euro, and then that would be 0.23, 53.2 euro, or I can write it 0.20, but this is not the answer because we need to convert it into pounds and also add the extra 5%. So let me add the 5% extra and then convert it into pounds. So if you do 5% extra, so 5% extra would imply that we'd have 53.2 plus 0.05 multiplied by 53.2, and that would be 0.05 multiplied by 53.2. I'd get 2.66, and to this I have to add 53.2, so I would get 55.86. So 0.86 is still in euro. So now to convert it into pounds, so I would get cost in pounds would be 55.86, that's euro, so multiplied by 0.9. So 55.86 multiplied by 0.9. So that gives me pound 50.274, so 27. So the answer is 50.27. So this is the part 8. There's another part to it, 2 parts. So the next part is a family crosses a bridge which is 24 meters long. Or a wheel of a large bike has a radius of this. How many complete turns the wheel would make across the bridge? So so there is some bridge and there is a wheel. Okay, so wheel has a radius of 32 centimeter, so the radius is 32. So obviously we have to find the circumference. So circumference would be 2 pi r. So it would be 2 times 3.142 times 32, and then that would give me, now wait one moment, so before I do that, you have to do family cross the bridge is 24 meters long. So how many complete turns? So complete turns, wait a moment, so complete turns would be, we have to so one turn would be the circumference. So it is, if it is 24 meters long, so it would be 24 divided by this, so this is 32 centimeters, so I'd have to do 0.32 to make it 0.32, so that would be 24 divided by 2 times 3.142 times 0.32, so that would be 24 divided by 2.2 multiplied by 3.142 multiplied by 0.32, and that is equal to 2.01. So 24 divided by 2.01, that is approximately 11.9. That gives me 11.9. So how many complete turns? So that would be approximately 11, not so exact, not approximately, I should say 11 complete turns. The answer is 11. So that's 11 complete turns. So the next bit, yeah. So for the next part, so the diagram shows part of a large bike. The angle between each pair of metal spokes is 9 degrees. So each spoke is 29 centimeters long, and we need to calculate the total length of the metal. So the first bit is how many spokes are there. So the purpose of 9 degrees is there are 9 sections, so 9 parts. So if you do 360 divided by 9, that would give us 40. So there are 40 spokes. 40. So if you start with 1, 2, 3, you'd get 40. Okay, this side being counted by the last, the 360 degrees. So this is the 40th spoke. So what we do is, there are 40 spokes and each spoke is 29 centimeters long. So the total length of metal would be 40 multiplied by 29, and that equals 1160, but that is in centimeters, so in meters it would be 11.6 meters. So the answer in meters would be 11.6.